Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Pragya and I hope you guys are doing very well. So आज का video is all about a Teej makeup look. It's a step-by-step tutorial. I've created this quick and easy makeup look. So yeah, let's get started. That was it, my Teej quick and simple makeup look. So please make sure to subscribe, like and share my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And also if you guys are new, then do make sure to watch my previous video, which I will link to my description box. And also it's kind of like very quick and fatafat look. So yeah, I hope you will like it. Thank you.